organic dairy farm. We've been farming here for 45 years and we make cheese with the milk from our Ayrshire cows. We're part of the Pasture for Pollinators project with the Bumblebee Conservation Trust in Bwlchwernen.
A lot of the research and the work on pollinators has been done on arable and vegetable crops, and there's relatively little focus on pasture and livestock systems, which of course make up the majority of farms in Wales.
So this project is funded through the European Innovation Partnership, which is a farmer-led programme, and it's really useful to this area, I think, not only to put the farms on the map and show how well we're doing things in Wales, but also to join up the academic institutions, the conservation bodies with the farms.
If we can show farmers that you can make a significant contribution to increasing pollinator populations without it being a particularly difficult thing to manage and without it impacting on your profitability and productivity, then I think we're onto something quite special there.
I'm hoping that this project will be affirming in terms of our farm management, and that we'll see that what we're doing is good for our grassland production, our milk production, but also our soil health, our biodiversity and our bumblebee populations.